Thinking about starting your own business in Malaysia? A window cleaning business might just be your clear path to success. Let's explore how you can start one step by step. Window cleaning services are always in demand, from office towers and shopping malls to residential homes. It's a low-cost startup with flexible operations and steady growth potential, especially in Malaysia's urban areas like Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, and Penang. To start, register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Choose a suitable business structure: sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company. Then, apply for the necessary permits, insurance, and safety certifications if you plan to clean high-rise buildings. Invest in reliable cleaning tools and eco-friendly products, and train your team in safety procedures. Build your client base by promoting your services online, networking with property managers, and maintaining excellent service quality to earn repeat business. Starting a window cleaning business in Malaysia can be a bright opportunity when done right. For expert help with company registration, accounting, and compliance, contact 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's make your business shine. We'll help you with everything you need to start your window cleaning business in Malaysia.